Hi everyone. Okay, so I got my Primrose Cottage Sip and Sip and Stitch package. I wanted to completely open it up with you guys. So it will say on here that it is a spoiler alert and everything else. Plus it's going to say on here Sip and Stitch, you know, June. So there's plenty of warnings, so do not watch if you don't want to be spoiled. You would actually have to click on the video in order to have the surprise spoiled. So don't click on it. Stop watching right now, okay? So let's see what we got. I'm so excited. This is my second Sip and Stitch, but my first one I got, I loved it so much. So I want to see. Oh, so we got a lamb. Oh, she's so cute. It looks almost like a cloud. I like it. Okay, so that's the little bow sheep. Oh, sheep. Oh, okay. Oh, look at the floss. The floss is going to be, let me scoot you in, okay? I'm going to scoot you in. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Bulldogs are in here with me. Houses, floss drops. I love floss drops. Oh, so they're all houses, but they're all different colors. Oh, how cute. This is almost like a fall, huh? Like a getting ready for fall. That seems like the colors to me. Oh, I love that. Okay, so let's see what else we got. Ooh, a big red barn needle minder. Oh, so cute. I love that. So cute. Now this was spendy. You guys, oh sorry, it's gonna go, okay. This was a little bit on the spendy side, but honestly, you guys, I'm like, it's okay. I just love this box. Why? And I don't like mystery boxes, okay? I don't like them because I never know if I'm going to, I'm never happy with them. And I don't know why I buy them, but with them, when I bought last time, it was like the best ever. And now that I'm into cross stitch, so I'm like, okay. Oh, look at Home Sweet Home. And I love the fact that all of their patterns are in color. So let me get close. Oh, how cute. Home Sweet Home. Oh, how fun. Now this is going to be like this. It's a 83 by 40 stitch count. So it's going to be tiny. I love their little tiny ones. And then you get all the DMC. So all the DMC to make, so they give you basically the DMC to do all the patterns and even the, okay, you can't show the back of this one, but you can show this. So this is what this one is. It's a Home Sweet Home Sip and Stitch 2026 Release 2. So, and yeah, there's a pattern on the back of this, so you can't turn it over, but it is a barn with a tree and lambs on it. Ah, it's so cute. So, okay, and this is the bigger one. So this is the bigger pillow, and you usually get a finishing kit with this one. Cherish, Be Kind, Laugh, Family, Home. Oh, I love this. This is so beautiful. 74 by 58. Oh, so beautiful. So you get 3 patterns. I think it was $89. So yeah, it's spendy, but I think you get your money's worth. I feel like that like you do, which is nice. It's nice to have that feeling, because some of the packages I got like a few years ago, you spend like $100 and you get like nothing, and I hated that. So I'm like, So I usually don't do mystery boxes, but now that I'm doing counted cross stitch, it's been like so fun. And you got felt, and then all the things to make this. So this is the finishing kit. So I think you get the finishing kit for all 3 of them, honestly. I think. Yeah, so you get the Home Sweet Home. So yeah, you get the finishing kit for Home Sweet Home, which is the black and the red, and then the twine. And then for this one, you get the trim. And then this one, this back one, you're going to get the, you also use the red. It looks like you use the red also, and the twine also. I don't know what the felt is for. I don't see what the felt is for, but that's not surprising for me. I don't know, yeah, I don't know what the felt is for, but it's for something, I'm sure. So, okay, so that's the finishing kit, and then we get a drinking vessel. This doesn't seem like a. My only concern was getting a wine cup, and I'm like, ugh. But my daughter drinks wine. I do not. I don't drink wine. But let's see what it is, okay? Because you can always turn it into a pen holder. But you get a drinking vessel. So this one is not a tumbler, which I loved the tumbler. This feels like a coffee cup. Oh, it is a coffee cup, which are useful and I love. So this is going to be mine. Oh, home is where my stitching is. I love it. Look at that, you guys. That is so cute. Yes. So cute. So there's so it's just in the front right here, which is cool. Oh, yep, I'm gonna use that. I love that. Okay, so I am happy. I'm so happy. I feel like they're more generous than a lot of companies as far as their okay, no, I'm not gonna say anything. But yes, I feel like they're very generous, and I love that about this company. Like, okay, it's neat. It's really, really neat to be able to get all this, and it's expensive, but it's also not too expensive, if you can kind of get what I mean. All right, but I love what I got. Yes, thank you so much. And I believe they have more boxes. It took a week for them to sell out the last box. I would think they're gonna really sell out pretty quickly after everyone sees these videos of everyone unboxing them. So cute. I love. Happy. Thank you, Primrose Cottage. Another win for the secret mystery box. All right, guys, take care. We'll see y'all later. Bye.